Welcome to Miss Island TV. So we'll show you how Hurricane Beryl impact people life in Old Harbour district. This is called Bannister Red Ground. As you can see, this is Big Pan. We're at Big Pan now. Yeah. So I don't manage them something here. So I can move all of them something here. Them still cut them look smaller, man. Why they cut them so?
No because I don't pay, we have pay.
Them could have cut it better, man, and pushed out of the way, man.
And them I say too far, they walk too far. And then
But them I get paid for do it.
And then rasta. So we can't bother with it.
The people in a easy to live at them places when they have disaster like this. You know, easy. When they have disaster like hurricane or flood rain or anything like this, it's not easy. Yeah, live me there pan now. Yeah. No man, YouTube live me there pan.
So I go and feed that. Much people have on it. One?
Yeah.
People so start climbing. Most people not have now.
Yeah, people say this is the shortcut. Get across Big Pan. So now we are go back to the main road towards Old Harbour. So we're going to the other side now, to the top.
Alright, you hear me now? No. Yes, yeah.
Yes, Father, respect, yeah?
Take it easy, take it easy.
You're the man.
Biggs, when you on Instagram, Biggs? There's no lawsuit.
Big now much of a young entrepreneur, man.
Alright?
The big don't spend time anytime rich and straight back away a cup.
I'm going to fix the Big Pan phone. That'd be nice, in other sense. Yeah, people. We're live. Come on, people. Share the live, people. Share the live. Yeah, fold it up if you can. I say, brother, you don't know what throw me off. And the next drone I'm going to see him, I say, oh, my drone fly so I can't control it. I don't never know, so I never know. I say, what go on? Yes, people, thanks for joining the live. Share the live, my people. Thanks for joining. So now we will show you the impact of Hurricane Beryl left Jamaican in. You can see enough people can't come out of them yard. So they are red ground, Big Pan, where enough people yard flood out and things. Look there. No water in the pipe, see there? Even drinking water people don't have. Watch it. No water, my people. Here can. And the battery no low, take care of your charger. Yeah. Because that's why it overheat. Yeah. This room my one low. You now go overheat enough.
Yo, man.
Yeah, people, thanks for tuning into the live. Man, water like down at Elisha, man. Cha cha. A whole of water this, you know, man. Yeah, people, thanks for joining the live again. So this is Big Pan, Old Harbour. Bannister.
Yeah, me teacher.
Yeah, man.
This is. Listen,
Yeah, man.
at least the shop is safe.
Shop one stack then at the shop. The shop empty.
But yes, I must say, I'm telling you, I say right there so is the main road.
That used to be the main road where people used to drive pan,
the main road right now.
go to the town to get them goods and whatever, but see there, flood out.
Flood out, so.
It will take days before this can actually go down or clear.
Right.
Days, probably a week or two.
Yep.
So you know them people are going to be very hard on the side of the community.
True. Think if you go in and out.
Yeah, man, very hard for them people.
Yeah.
So this is the impact where Hurricane Beryl left Jamaicans in people. So saying prayers to the people and the family them, so you know, them can recover from all of this. Yeah, people, so back to you again. So this is Jermaine from Mystic Island TV. You see me, you don't know? Go over, like, comment, subscribe and share to the channel, people. You see me? Yeah, enough respect.
That is
Out.
it, bro.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Crazy one.
Yeah, I don't know where they are with Jamaica walk by. One of the biggest YouTuber in Jamaica, you see me?
Outside.
You see me? One of the biggest YouTuber in Jamaica.
No,
You see me? Jamaica walk by.
Crazy work.
Jamaica walk by, you don't know anything. One of the team member there, real crackers, you know? Yeah, crackers, girl, them saying cripsy. Yeah, me people.
So we'll walk, go back up
Yeah.
and thing.
So we're trying to find the next road towards the other side, closer to Red Ground. That people not easy. Them life are hard. But otherwise still Jamaica nice, no lie. Eh? Cement? Rotted. No, what do you mean? Hard up. People are joke. 5 years them could have choice, you know. Come on, people, like up the live, people. 100 likes, people. Come on, like up the live. Like and share. Eh? Yeah, man. Oh, then what? Yes. Oh, what, behind the house? Crackers, power up here. people, so enough people life impact by the massive flood in the road ground. It take them up to 2 weeks to recover from this. And this not so so easy. At least 2 weeks.
Everywhere.
About 2 to 3 weeks before this water here go with people. You know them people they say them have to charge to the bush. Go towards the town centre to get food and water and whatever.
Blessed Father. Respect. Boy, none of the vehicle can roll out now. I wonder how to deal with the situation when it stays so you know. You say? Blows and Christ.
And the funniest thing, the water in the place. There's no water.
Yeah, water there.
Well,
Yeah.
water there, but you can't drink.
Please and please, what man? Come on. All the vehicle in my yard.
Can't move.
All them nice, beautiful house here, you have to just stay in.
I just stay in and know so I say thing go. And them have enough water for drink.
No water, no
And
light.
for use in them bathroom for the time being.
No water, no light.
Mr. MP, we call up here, sir. Mr. Warmington. We need this red ground pan to be fixed. Over the years, the people must suffer with the same problem. Every single time we have a disaster.
More walking.
More walking. Yeah, man. Hold on, man. We not want to find a vehicle. We just target the people, man, say. Yeah. The one, isn't it? All right.
Respect.
Cut through that person, the big house right there. All right. Respect. You hear me, John?
Look at that one there.
So hot, man. I mean, I lie, still, you know, when hurricane come and gone, I say, gone already? You move fast, man.
Brother, which part of the hurricane no pass that?
The hurricane move fast, man.
When we wake up, I say, I'm a hurricane there.
One night time I want to hold me wall them. They see if them are going to stay there. We breeze about there.
But the truth is still, people, the impact, most people on the south coast of Jamaica. People in Lionel Town, Portland Cottage, St. Thomas, Portland and them place there. Them place they demolish or Hurricane Beryl. This is
No. Here's your river person. Let's see. Water. Oh, gee, soaked up.
oh,
It's gonna be different, bro.
so take it to the bush, you know? Boy, slippers can't manage in the bush, you know? Be a skid in our go no, sir. Terrible, man.
Eh?
Terrible skating there, man.
You want to know one of the worst part right now? You sent time we reach around there, so
Come back.
that alone you can't manage when it comes on to walking more time and time we go out far.
People, see it. Big man, whole armor. Same captain, people them have it rough down here.
This time I've got to go through.
That's almost struggling. Yeah, let's go through this. So this is one of the men where the people I'm for take. Oh, I road man, black. And a machete.
Like no.
I'm going to take a breather right to some man, because it's a hot. Cha-cha.
Why look from where there?
Hold on, is that pictures?
Alright, so which are we there now? We're there right or sitting there. Yeah, but so when we look on the drone, I think somewhere near you, so somebody had that. Over the road there. A little bit below you, so we can suppose you can go up on the main road there.
Jessica, welcome.
So, if we can go
DL, we are showing the impact
go through somewhere right there, so.
of
Go on right, this one.
Hurricane Beryl. Impact all Harbour. Red ground.
Final track.
The red ground area.
Final track. Alright.
So we are showing the track where people want to go walk. If you go across the pond. Yeah. So all of them busher, all of them bush and all of them things I have to go through. They get taxi if you go to the town centre. This time got easy people.
Everybody has to go walk through the bush and go up on the other side.
Thanks for the prayers, DL. It's now got easy for the people them for the next 3 weeks. Come in. So as soon as the MP get to work.
We out there.
Yeah man, like all the time.
Oh,
Big up your life, you know?
Big up your life, people. Tune in.
Yeah.
You see, we have to go through for show people them where you want to go. You know? Fancy car and them things they can come to the book.
10 to turbo for your work.
Yeah? Yeah. Nothing. Yeah, man. I did you sell internet videos? I can't flow.
I flow me I used to. Yeah man, go through man. Jamaica you know man, you know where you go?
Yeah. Hands.
Come in. And so when trouble take the short fit you.
Yeah.
Everything one good with this time though. That is it, man. That is it of all things, you know? Yeah. Money can't buy life, that is life.
Huh? Dep on that, man. Yeah. Short though. Huh? Boy, I'm tired. How long time I'm not tired, sir? Yeah, people. So all of them are walking, huh? My boy have it. $19 everybody a while ago. 19.
What happened?
What happened?
People, we just show you what the people in the community have to go through when big pan full up. All of them bush there where we walk through a while ago.
Yeah.
And that's what people have to walk through. So imagine you are going to town and you put on your pretty shoes. And so by the way, they're not going to put on their shoes. They have to wear slippers and
Or old shoes and water boot or something. Affected by the big pan that come over. So the big pan flood, them can't leave them yard. Let's have to walk through the bush. And the bush, terrible. The bush is not easy, man. So hopefully the MP start work swiftly. We get rid of this big pan water. So the people can become normal again. Live their normal life. Over the years, this affect the people in the red ground, Bannister. Years. At the same Sankey every year. One of a disaster. What go on there?
Cheers. Wait. Where are you dealing with?
Jamaica walk by me, I come here just a video of the pan. The pan where all I want to get affected by.
So the MP can see it.
That the bush there.
And the water.
Yeah.
Oh God, man.
Oh, God.
You know, I don't like down there to me left some strict rules there. We actually our best to not pull the fridge.
Cha.
No running water, pure water, pan black. So we walk. Alright,
So what time you plan to keep your fish fry? 12. What time? What time it start?
Right here, sir? Right here, sir?
Don't know, Aisha.
Oh, yeah, man.
Alright.
So we pass here, come give us support here. Yeah. Yeah, man. All right, darling. How we get water from, man? Where you get water from? Where you get water? You have more money for you? We get our water there.
Did you find clean water?
Yeah, sir. Respect. Crackers, work your camera, crackers. Camera work, you know.
All like people may get affected by the water.
Cha. PS women are going up here, sir.
Blessing in general.
One boat, man. A boat up here. Eh? Want a boat, man. Oh. Are we shopkeeper there?
So them up.
Hello? Are we in there? Are you in there? Are you there, shop? Yeah. Right. More water there. I tell you, it's a kill with your bush there, man.
water cool and nice.
There want water there.
Man, respect.
Bring 2 more.
Too much water there, cuz. Let me come on. Only watch it go there. The people, yeah man, like up the live people. Yes, this is Jamaica. Part of Old Harbour. Yeah man. The people, so this is the all of the people I'm have to go through. Get across the flooding of the pond. To live in this community, it is not easy. Oi man! What on? Where's the boat? What on man? Where the boat there? Bless up, bless up, bless up, bless up. What on? How you do? How the boat? How the boat? Where's the boat? Alright man, I tell you say rough go to the bush now.
Well, you went.
Man, I couldn't live up better. I tell you the truth, I couldn't manage it.
I wish one I join them have. DJ. 2. Yeah.
Oh.
4K shoot.
Your flight already?
Yeah, I'm go over there already.
Man.
4K shoot. No, that one 2.7.
Huh? Probably.
The 4K I'm crushing. I'm crushing.
and crash it.
Crash it, we crash that one day.
But not damage.
Yes, I. Yes, people. Sylvester Drive, not. You see, all of this is the main road going towards the Old Harbour. That is Big Pan over there. Yeah, people, that is Big Pan. That is Big Pan over there. I tell you, I must lose my one this morning. No? Because I just start, I'm just see what for John.
AC this morning.
I mean, I say wait. I saw me lose my John off here again. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, man, easily over it.
I get realized that them things are being specific for one night.
Yeah.
The people
But dive. Diving and shit.
What's it for the front? Them say hot.
No, I want to overeat.
Shut down, shut down.
Shut it down, shut down.
I want to overeat.
I want to know you want to overeat.
I want to overeat. Let me tell you, I do. I run it straight, you know. I run it, let it go. Run it, let it go. I know that kid run it straight. Huh? Oh, the big one there. Real man. Yes.
I bring my son's swim to cut their hair, you take day off.
When was that? When was that?
Finally bring the boys around and tell them how they're going to meet with Big Barber.
Master.
When we reach there, no joking.
Oh my God. So this is the Joan.
Last time I come through, I don't see no man. Come here, me want to swim.
You want to swim?
Yeah, me want to swim.
Go and go swim now, man. The man say you want to swim.
Last week Saturday, she very man.
Yes, that.
Coming up there Friday night.
Them are saying me doing German. Man, look at it right now. Look at it now. Camera blank out for the whole time.
In a minute long.
I tell them to me crackers. Next Joan trip, my brother. I don't know where my Joan there. I say, oh, Joan a fly and I can't control it. That's why I can't send it up and I go up. Church of God. Hey, I not tell that I feel it. I say I'm afraid. Vegan. I never first in my life. When I see you when I go down to the water, I can't do nothing crackers.
You go so and then you move it now.
I'm just about this now. Mash me up now.
How are you, man, when you come back at the
Orfe! Orf! Weary! Weary! Weary, Orf! Call him Weary!
See bird that fly right there?
Yeah.
You touch each other, you know? Boy.
Weary!
When my Joe nearly go, I turn idiot, you know? I tell her. When me see Joe and I go in the water, I say, but I that the man, I went there.
Fabian.
Fear when I fly in Joe and brother and they trick me.
I want fly Joe.
So the fear guy no find me son because 400 and had meat I go up in a year.
But yo, it better when you go up than go down. Because it's when you go down, licking a blood clot tree and licking a something. Yeah.
Yeah, I should up.
Yes, man, when you go up in a year, better.
When me see all I go through the tree, then I say blood clot me Joe done and you know. But I never my Joe.
Can you fly past go so? But you know, but I know you can come from back first time, you know. Where they?
No, I take it young man and put it on my caravan.
Yeah.
Want a boat, the boss? You know the boat? Want a boat, man?
You control it.
Man, I have there.
You control it.
Yeah.
So you can't cool down.
Yeah. He's okay down, man. YouTube. Yeah. Boss can fly good though. I one by the man right there come back in.
One bar.
Me say two. I force me ever afraid so
when
he
we reach a certain amount,
don't come no he don't come back.
Yo, why don't
You see me in a shake. No, what me I say? So me see John fly and me I say, me I try control and me now see it go where me want it to go. Then tell them my John brother.
I tell you why I do wrong. I want June too much. Tell me what camera I want. If you want the camera, I know. Say yo.
Fabian know about it.
But me never know some more John there on the circle. Some if you know, me don't know.
You doing past first.
I remember that. Alright, so remember so you don't know either. So me get confused and I say, why John fly and me I control it. I'm know just like oh you got to the control what there. You did it on the plaza and you got to control start go by yourself. I didn't in the camp brother, I can lose what you call it, connection and just start go about it, go away if you're just gone.
I say make sure you bash them up enough.
Yeah man.
Yeah.
And you can't fly for no more than half an hour, you know. So you see that, so no matter. See that, that's all.
I don't know anything, though. Yeah. Can't feel it, but you know anything. Yeah, we have to walk around with them. Walk? A load of banana and breadfruit and pine. Listen it. To myself, I have 2 more eagle in there. I want to check my mother and see stop so I have to turn back. Walk. Yeah? Walk. I drive, me I drive. Yeah, that's what I'm walk around. You know me know anything, but we don't respond to them and I tell them. Right around there, look and get fucked. I hear it. Around there, drive. Yeah, go back there and get fucked. When you drive around, sir? No, drive right up. Right up there, drive and get fucked. Right up there.
Me say,
Sure.
I show you a touch off of it, you know. I sense a cause that, you know. Can you over here, sir, man? Can you over here, sir? I show you a touch off of it, that's it going.
Yeah, custom snatching it out the air. You just snatch it out the air.
I sense I pick it up in them and say, no, sir, what is? They say, I fly my drone down there, you know. Because I have one of the mini tree, you know. And I don't say I fly it, but I never know so next drone.
With this one, this is the third drone you buy. How much drone you buy?
No, I buy one for repair one and the one I buy for repair next one now works. So I'm up with 2 drones
So
now.
how many drones you buy?
3.
Alright. Did I lie to you, man?
No, sir.
3 drones you buy.
And I want me buy and I tell them I don't want not do it.
Which one let me have?
3.
You might be 3.
DJ 3, yeah man.
I tell myself I sell that one and try and get you upgrade to it. Because this can shoot in a 4K. That's the only disadvantage. With it.
Oh, that's a Mini 2 SE.
Yeah, it's like
Oh.
SE one. Me have the
Man can shoot in a 4K.
me have the 2 mini. The mini could shoot in a 4K. May I try fix.
Oh. But they fly good still.
It fly good, but it's not good for night. The mini could have show clear in the night. So could have pick up footage in the night with the mini. But this one
They show me just how to fly my one, but not two. But I can't carry it, but I carry back, you know. I don't say I fly it. This man did I fly next drone. I never know what's in there with that drone too. Some just see drone that go about the place. I think I my one.
Control video.
No, I think it was mine. I think it get out of control. So it's like, I said, wait. So my one end up go way up about 400 and had meter up in the sky gone. So me turn fool. I'm just return home. So some take time and carry it in back.
Yeah, but a minute two I try. I need to carry next money. Take out some wire fight and fix it. So now, when you do it, how you upload it? You upload it live
What that?
to YouTube.
From the drone?
From the GoPro.
No man. Me record them edit after.
Which app you use it?
Me used to use Adobe, but now I use name again man. But I use one TikTok. What name again?
CapCut.
CapCut, yeah. CapCut very easy to use.
Yeah, that one is easy.
Yeah man, I have a lot of features. So I just use it easy, very easy.
Yeah.
So that me I use now. I use a laptop faster and easier.
Use it on the phone. Use it on the phone.
And they make good thumbnail too.
You know Thomas?
So now I'm on the YouTube live, you know. Yeah, I'm on the YouTube live right now. So you have a channel name? You have what channel name, boss?
Yeah, you're the boss in there.
Yeah, the boss. Yeah, so give a shout out for your channel.
Yeah, you can follow You're the Boss Farm Solution, you know, we're the Jamaican chicken plucker manufacturer.
Okay.
You know?
Yeah.
You need a chicken plucker in Jamaica. You can link
Yes, people. Link up You're the Boss on YouTube. Yeah, you have a number? You're the Boss.
569-873.
So that's 876. 87656.
569-873.
Alright, people. So.
You're the Boss.
Alright, You're the Boss.
Yeah, if you want a chicken plug, you can link for the chicken plug. It's locally made, you have a technician and 24 hours.
So, what you use to pluck the chicken?
Yeah, the machine I use the chicken.
Oh, so you have the machine to pluck the chicken. Okay, great.
Check out my TikTok channel, you'll find it on that.
Alright, You're the Boss. Big up yourself, you don't know. Yeah, man. One You're the Boss. Yes, sir.
Why I'm gonna talk to get the money I am fighting? And the Bible said, your blood shall show. I probably send my biggest scam and then start to first.
I don't lie.
They fool with my promises and then no. So we have to find another way. So we are the poor bread. People who they say we are still. Never make a bet. Why you put your money to carry? That means they might need a thief.
Them a thief too?
Yeah! So you whole thing need to rub out. I'm a man that is ground in that fan. Not just now. Long time from me at 12-year-old. I'm here 52-year-old. I watch how I go around. You see him fuck. Them things is ground there, so that's why I'm not vote.
Every Wilmington.
Every Wilmington. Them is ground there. Them can drive big vehicle, cost much million. Me can't drive their pro box and drive.
Helicopter come for him.
If you care about my people, you don't matter who vote to PMP and here, everybody go remember one side.
Yeah.
Can roll make up our negative force and positive.
Simple as that.
And never go go like you have enough people who are fuck batty, enough people who are suck pussy, enough people who just a fuck pussy and not fuck the batty. Enough people say God there, enough people say God there. So we are going to kill people.
You can't kill people.
Everybody needs to feed, brother.
All of we are human being.
Fuck them and fuck themselves. 1 million them have in them palm. I do what they need for do. And you mean they build a house over there and you don't do nothing at all important. This the bleed will go further.
To the sea.
Yeah! I took there so they run off. And then when you talk they say you food. So how me vote? PMP now Liberal can't get a blood clot vote. I got me deal with the suck on the mama. Me said that with no apology. Man when I run in the water every bum buckler here and then nothing better.
Yeah.
They will come, then group up, then talk. Walk one. See if you just talk to man up on the phone, we can't go on the system enough to come. Everything in our house mash up again. And them all just say, choose your PMP and them are liberal. Then say she don't do nothing.
Foolishness.
It no matter who you become, some people are still
have a choice.
There, and they still live. So fuck people per earth. That's why heal and work better. But we don't even know. That's what they do. Everybody from Jamaica left and go farmer, go chop key and pick up a blood clot computer. We call robot, them have been there picking up a blood. So sooner or later, no apple not pick by human.
Machine, I do everything.
In a store in America,
Machine
attack you and sell you.
Restaurants.
Restaurant. So the fuck you saw go on with. And they go like, chew in a tech plane, they send internet coming in everybody place. So you know see what go on up there too. Right now, I want to Jamaica when I have to go on a foreign. Because I afford picking up there. I mean I have to go nowhere. Because everything with that foreign come here, so.
Everything.
Every fucking thing with that foreign come here, so.
They hear the cry of the people.
Jamaica, born, bred and grew. What are we going to do? See what there?
They could use food with bad word.
Yeah.
Use food with bad word, not use for them one.
What am I going to do for LB? Yeah. Nothing. See there? Him live up there, so. He can sail past the one SUV. 2 million and go up by home.
Helicopter.
Man, in the water, pro box the driver so low. The helicopter come pick him up. Fuck all out and
yeah.
them. If you don't care,
Yeah, the catch come pick him up. Right?
Yeah, the F1 after them.
Chicken back. I'm still right. No, can't stop. It's our view. When you see them again, friend, Jamaica walk by. Pick up yourself. Now we attack as it is. They need us. Right. Watch out. Water can go with you now, so. Cows they start. Yeah, they make an improvement here. But what millions of years about we are waste. But look at you. So people say PNP and people say labor right. I don't know why the PNP and labor right. Shoot right in. When you talk to him, you can't make it that cool.
Listen, we have an idea right now. Labor right and PNP affected by this. Everybody has
But he must go like him now, see what I go and tell them most customers I can go round. But the glad the MP build a house, I buy a house, I refurbish around there. So watch out. You buy me the flood house, but fuck you, remember that house was still. Alright.
Everybody in the house,
yeah, we'll do better.
Yeah, people, hear the cry of the people in this division of Old Harbour and Catching. Red ground, Bannister. I hear the cry of the people. People them need help when it comes to this flood of the big pond in the Old Harbour area of Bannister. Sylvester Drive, full of water. Oh man. Alright, cuz. That's what we link here. Yeah, man.
Alright, my general. Take care, yeah?
You have your iPhone charger? Have iPhone charger in your bag?
No, take care.
So how fast is that now for go down, sir? She bush rough with that.
That's easy, man.
Yeah, man. One love every time. That is it.
Yo!
That's it. So what do you say is that right now, everybody has to be the king. You don't know what king go, man. You grow like a me daddy.
Huh?
Apart I plug in part, I want to work.
Give me some color.
Yeah, the man.
Yo, Kino, General have a big you up, you know.
One back there dead.
You big up Kino life in Jamaica. Alright, big up the power. Kino, big up yourself.
I'm really sorry about that. Such man. 1% people, so now we're coming to the end of this life. Yo, oi, come here. Come here, come here.
I don't want no boy taking a picture of me. I'm a bad blood clan, man. A little boy in the face anytime.
So that are the, so that are the Mia Free Community. It's a charge for that? What's come up with them?
You want your serious part, I don't charge. I think about the bush over for walk back to you. You don't know, killer. I'm the attack and I go on. I bush me and make you over for walk back to you.
I better know that.
Yo, honestly feel like I walk to you.
Honestly feel like I go to you, but I can't go to you. What to do without him, man? Let's see how guys when they're done. Alright, people.
Yeah. We probably can walk through, yes, so go.
Huh? Let me cat? Power. Yeah, shoot too big, man.
What are you?
We're taking back the road. We're not going to the dirty water, you mad?
Right now, I feel like I'm chance.
Tree water?
We can't go through, man.
Why would they want to send me back to
It's too high.
Bro, no, man, I'm talking to you, so we chop them, man. Yo, we can't go through that bush. I swear, I
Oh, so you don't want to walk through yourself?
I mean, I walk through it. Go down there, so. I'll come back out there.
Sylvester Drive and a bomb on them, but they can take you back at the ball field.
Yeah.
This is much easier, man.
I could try that, man. I can't bother for that bush. The bush is serious.
Serious.
So right now, we're going to try.
So yes, people, thanks for joining my live. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and comment. You see me? Thanks to everybody who come on the live. The live is about to end right now. So.
Which one?
Thanks for joining as we share the impact of the red ground big pond flood. All right, bossy. Big up here.
Bless up here, my general.
Can't go wrong with this sitting there, boy. Okay. Take your time, man. You paint of yourself. Watch ya. Yeah, next one. Why you never say that him? You draw your foot, brother. You sit down. This is one activity too.
Oh, ini satu. Ini mana satu orang lain.
Yes, my people. Yeah. From breaststroke across the water. I don't think so. Without it.
You know, say nothing must do here, just the sensor.
Chip out.
Hello?
People. This is the big pond area. Whole place flood out.
Yo, subscribe to my channel. Take one picture for me. Oh yeah, everybody go. Yeah. Take it the next year. Yeah.